So, as much as I don't mind cats, I got a bit of a stray cat problem. So we're gonna try some of this dog and cat repellent that I bought at Ace Hardware. Man, this stuff, I can smell it already. It stinks. All right, here, kitty, kitty. No, you're not gonna sit on my old cars anymore. Let's see. See, I am kind of tired of this. Oh, that stuff stinks. Not only a cat repellent, also a people repellent. Japers. Yeah, see, bye. You're not gonna like this. Just go everywhere. Or all the junk that needs to go scrap. Alrighty. They're pooping all over the yard. They're peeing on my tires, and it's driving me nuts. So we'll see if this is effective at all. I don't know how much I need to put down. I gotta put enough down to. Oh, yeah. All right. Whew. That stuff, I don't know if it smells like a weird restaurant or what, but man, it's strong. These dang cats even figure out how to get in my garage window, so, ha, no more problem there. I don't even know if this is how you're supposed to properly apply this stuff, but whatever. Whew. This stuff reeks. All right, let's try that. Oh, better get my truck too. I don't know if this is gonna do much good or not. All right, let's see what happens.